Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So what we're going to do is we're going to get loose, of course, but we've got to go over my top 3 crypto picks. So we are April 25th of 2024. Keep that in mind. So later on, you're like, Moose, these picks don't mean anything. And I'm going to tell you, like, dude, it was April 25th. So things change in the space. So if you get something out of this, smash the like button, subscribe, and get loose. That's all I'm going to do. That's all I'm going to tell you to do. So number 1, let's go over it. I talk about this project all the time. I just did a video on it. Number 1 is going to be cornucopias. Copy. So let's think about it this way. The crypto metaverse space, gaming, is massive. Okay, kids growing up today, so I'm talking about, let's say you're 8 to 13. Okay, when you are 25, so 10 years from now, 20 years from now, kids are going to be playing games where they own the in-game assets and they use virtual currencies. They use crypto, in my opinion. That's what I think is going to happen. In the best, funnest, most organized teams on the best layer ones, those are going to be the projects that are going to win. Cornucopias checks off those boxes if everything works out. And I think it will. I really do. You guys can comment down below. By the way, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. So invest at your own risk. I do invest as much as I can into Copy. I believe in this project. I believe in the tokenomics. I have other videos going over how and why. So if you take a look at the market cap, currently we're at, 2.37. And let's look at Copy. So Copy is at like 6-7 cents, whatever it may be. 50, 60 mil market cap, 55 to be exact. And this thing is going to go to $1 probably next cycle. Okay. So I'm thinking 50 cents pretty conservatively, maybe next couple months, next year. We could see a $500 to $1 billion market cap. That's me being conservative. So I think it could go to a couple bucks, could go to $5. But that's if things get like frothy. That's if things get really out of control. So keep that in mind. I believe that when you're looking at crypto, there are 3 main spaces that I'm looking at. And the first one is Copy. And the reason being is because it's the metaverse crypto gaming space. So that's what I'm going to put here, game. Really, it's game, but it's metaverse. It's owning the in-game asset. It's the fact that, when I grew up as a kid, I would play like RuneScape a little bit. I had friends that played like WoW, was World of Warcraft. I did play NHL. Like I played hockey in real life, not in the NHL, but the Moose played some house league. I had a dirty slap shot. So that was kind of fun. But I did play NHL as in like the video game. And I would still play that if somebody asked me to, but I don't have any friends anymore. Because all I do is look at the charts, I buy Copy, and yeah, the Moose is lonely. The Moose is lonely. So comment down below. Comment down below. I'm kidding. I'm not actually lonely. Maybe sometimes. Maybe sometimes. Freed, you never message me. Josh, never message me. So late game, I don't know. I guess you're not concerned with the Moose. So just making you guys feel bad. Honestly, though, Cornucopias is that crypto gaming metaverse project that I think about. When I think about the metaverse, it's Copy, man. Copy's got it. So if you go to gaming, this also hasn't really picked up yet. And you look at the top projects, I'm going to be doing a direct comparison when I get more time. We got Axie Infinity Sandbox. These are at, a billion, multiple billion in market caps. I think these were at like 8 to 10 billion at one point. So Cornucopia is 10x better. It looks better. The team's better. You know who the team is. So why can't we get loose on this token? Why can't this token really go nuts? It's not chain agnostic. Copy's available. It's got contracts on base now. It's on Ethereum. It's on Binance. It's on Cardano. Who knows where it's going to be in a couple months? So we're looking at this April 25th, 2024. Huge potentiality for cornucopias. Nothing else the Moose can say. That's just how I feel about this. Okay? Number 2. Numero deux. Or dos. What's Spanish? Je peux parler en français. I do know some French, but I do not know Spanish. But regardless, number 2 is Meld. Meld is another huge opportunity. By the way, these are tokens that I'm buying. So these are not my top 3 holdings. That's significantly different. These are tokens that I'm buying now because in terms of risk to reward, I think these have the best potential. I see a huge amount of upside past the screen and very little downside. So you always want to minimize your downside and increase your upside. So that's kind of the way I look at investing, right? Like Bitcoin, huge upside, very little downside at this point in time, in my opinion. Yeah, it's just the way I look at it. So Meld. Meld, by the way, we're going to go to the website. Meld is your DeFi lending and borrowing protocol in a non-custodial fashion. So they're basically making true banking for crypto. So you can take your assets on chain, including RWAs in the future. So you can own like your Apple stock and you can bring them on chain. So Meld is a layer 1 and it's got a lot of potential. Again, you'll see a little trend here with the top 2, 58 mil in market cap. Now, the thing with cornucopias is that a lot of their tokens are going to be used for in-game rewards for the team, etc. So a lot of their circulating supply is out. With Meld, they already have almost 95% of their tokens out. Let me share with you some Meld because I can. So if you guys want, actually, here's what we're going to do. Go to the Moose's link tree, Crypto Moose link tree. I've got it in all the descriptions below. You can go to Kopi. So these are affiliate links for the Kopi one and the Dega. I'm going to be adding more affiliate links. So I do that to save you some money and myself. So go to Meld. So that's a quick link. No affiliate links there yet. Go to Meld app and we are going to log into this. I want to share with you what it looks like. So once you log in, I have tutorials for you on Meld. This is the one project that could go bananas. So what this is a layer 1 and it's your DeFi lending and borrowing. So you create a non-custodial wallet, meaning you own your keys. Now your keys, now your cheese. Say please. Yes, sir. So anyways, you connect your wallet and you got your staking. So you're going to have your lending and borrowing as a different tab as well. So the Moose is staking a little bit here. You've got your 1 year. You've got your liquids. So liquid is you can get in and out swiftly and you earn a little bit less. So this is a 1 year earning 9.42%. This is a liquid at 6 months earning 5%. So the liquid, I can take out my position and I don't forfeit my earnings. Whereas with the locked, you're going to forfeit your earnings if you pull out too soon, right? So sometimes you do want to pull out soon. But in this case, you want to keep it in. So that's all we're going to talk about there. So stakeable assets, we've got Cardano. You can also stake ADA through this as well. In the future, it's going to look a lot different. In fact, I have done videos on the channel going over different things on Meld. So guys, check that out. Comment down below if you did get in to any of the staking. These pools close really quickly. Dega is available, so this is an ISPO. I've already delegated to that. So available pools, go to Meld, and they're basically all full except for the the Dega. Dega is an ISPO, so it's initial stake pool offering. Basically, you delegate your Meld to this pool, and instead of earning Meld rewards, you will earn Dega. So you can support a project pre-IPO, basically. Really cool stuff. So Meld, monster potential. This would be your DeFi gaming if you're interested. So check it out. This is something that I'm picking up. I'd like to have like 500,000 tokens if I can. I'm working on, like, the way I look at it is because of fees and whatnot, and I think we have a little bit of potentiality in the market. I think we're going to stay stagnant, if not go down a little bit for the short term. I'm just saving some capital, going broke. Saving capital, going broke. So that's the Moose's approach. I only got like 4 or 5 grand in here, but Copia I do have a lot more. So Solana is number 3. Solana I'm just going to put as a layer 1 ETH competitor. Now, I also think Cardano is an Ethereum competitor. But let me talk about, I also think Cardano is a great layer 1 and a good ETH competitor. But Solana is going to win this cycle, in my opinion. And I'll get into why. So let's take a look at Solana. Right now, what number is Sol at? So again, April 25th, 2024. So Cardano is number 10. Ton took it over. Cardano's at 16 billion in market cap. Solana's at 64 billion. So that's kind of interesting. Solana, the thing about Solana is that it's faster than Cardano right now. Big money tends to like it, and it's just what the market wants. So the market is the market is the market. It's just what people want. And the main thing is Ethereum still has a big of the share because ERC20 tokens, they are those are Ethereum based assets. A lot of altcoins, alternative coins to Bitcoin, are Ethereum. They're on Ethereum. They're leveraging Ethereum security or whatever. So Solana is a great alternative, and for whatever reason, it just kind of worked. People got in early; they made a lot of gains, and I do see this continuing. I think we're going to get to new all-time highs. I think Solana will go to like $1,000, 800, 1,000 USD. Very possible. Okay. They also have meme tokens. They have more being built. Sure, they have outages, whatever. Cardano is still my favorite layer 1. Cardano is my top 3 crypto holding right now. I love ADA. But Solana is something that I am looking to add to my portfolio. I'm buying it more than pretty much everything else right now. So it's Copy, Meld, and Solana, 33% each of those. That's what I'm doing. Not financial advice. Guys, invest at your own risk. It's a great layer 1 solution right now. It's fast. People like it. So guys, check out these links. If you want to pick up a Copy NFT, click on the link in the link tree. It will take you right to the node sales. So if you have those, use that in the future. It will save. I'm not sure if it's going to save you anything, but it will help out the move. So if you guys want to do want to support the channel, please do so. I really do enjoy that. I like the Tangent referral. So if you guys do not have a Tangent wallet, I got one in my wallet. So pick one up, guys. You need to protect yourself, not just in the bedroom, but also on the blockchain. So make sure to use some plastic or use whatever device you have. So you got the Trezor, the Tangent, LAPAL, Kivo, and that's about it, guys. Check out an online course. I just did a sale on these as well. So yeah, there's a lot coming, guys. Definitely comment down below. What did you think of this episode? What are your top 3 tokens that you're buying right now? And that's all we got. We'll see you in the next one.